Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a long time. I have conducted a session outside. Okay, I know people would have been eager in getting the stuff from Prem. So, so it's been a long time meeting everyone and then conducting the sessions, right? So, so what do you know about Prem? Okay, is anyone wants to say something about Prem and then about the strategy that we do and everything? But we're not going to talk anything about the strategy that we conduct in our FiboWaves theory and everything. We're not going to deal anything on that, but we're going to learn something very, very informational. That's what we need to know. Uh, Anything that you people are going through, right? It's all like facts. We need to have some kind of a facts that you need for anything to happen. If you have facts and figures, right, everything will be in at your doorsteps. The facts and figures, right? How to get facts and figures? Facts and figures are information, and those informations are very, very critical for your trade. Day to day, even if you see anything in a day-to-day activity, right, you need to have something called a facts and figures. Unless you don't have facts, right, you cannot speak on that particular topic. So here I'm presenting you something called facts here. Okay, so facts and figures. So what kind of facts that I want to talk about today? The facts are like there are every now and then there is a big fall is coming, or big fall is coming. Here the fall is coming. There the fall is coming. Which is fall is coming? Much call that fall is coming. Where should take trade? Where not to take trade? All these things. Everyone has the same feelings, right? So everyone talks about so many stuff, right? Sir, I want to take a trade here. Where shall I take trade here? This is the right trade. Is it right entry? Is it the right time to enter? Because the market is going higher and higher. Will I get some money out of it? Whether it's going to give me some kind of profits or not going to give me any profits. Whether this is the right time for it's falling so much. So what shall I do with that? All these things, right? All these kind of things will be running in your head. So while in the market, right, everyone has the same feeling, right? So and also people know lots of stuff, right? They come up and they put all the indicators here, right? This is the screen. In the screen, I have only the colors of some kind of candles. Okay, see that. Apart from that, there is no other indicators available. Everything is can be done on your own. Only thing is you need to learn the art of watching the patterns. This see AI. What AI does is it follow the pattern, right? How much is the pattern that people are doing when this kind of a pattern, whether this pattern happened long back before, and then when it crosses the same pattern, whether it will make some good movers or not. All these things have been analyzed by the AI, right? But what we are going to do here is we are going to memorize all this kind of a patterns, right? So once the session start, right, you will be going through my phase of learning. My phase of learning is how to get into the market. What is the feeling, right? There is a proverb, right? Like instance, Newton theory. For every action, there is opposite reaction, right? Same thing for every action in the stock market, there will be opposite reactions too. What is every action for a opposite reaction? So there is a buyers and there will be a sellers, and there is a seller, there will be a buyer. Unless if it's not happening right, it'll be like it'll be going like a upper circuit or lower circuit. Okay, so that is a case that you need to know that anything which is goes up has to come down. Anything which is coming down has to go up. So that means that one sec. I'm taking my pen out. Okay, just a minute. Hmm. Hey, it's not opening. Okay. So see everything. What I'm trying to say is if the market is going up like this, it starts from here, right? And then it ends here. Correct? So let's say it goes here. That means that as per the logic and everything that people will say, right? This is a abnormal movement. Let's say this is called abnormal movement of the market. If this is happening, right, when abnormal move comes up like this, it has to come down like this. It has to come back to the zero position. Why it has to come back to the zero position is this area, most important players would have missed the entry of going to this top area. So what he does is he wants the market to come back to the same position here so that he can ride it on the same position on the top. So if you see this area, like this is a breakout area. Okay. So you see, this is a breakout area. The breakout happened here, and then the people missed around this particular area. Let's say this particular area, people are missed. Okay. So this went all the way up like this. And then what happened? The guys who missed here, it take it to this particular level, and then it moved up like this. Okay. So basically, the person who is missing out will take it from here, he'll take it from here, he will take it from here. How this happened? This happened here. This guy missed the trade here, entire trade here. So he take it to that particular level, and then he went up to here. Again, this guys missed the trade. So here, again, this guy missed the trade is here. So all these guys got it everything here. So all this level, this level, this level, this level, this level, this level, everything had been bought, and then the big moment came in. How these things are working together. We need to know all this stuff. If we know all this stuff, we can make some good money out like this kind of movement happen here. So says there is a problem like that. It went like this so much place. Like this is like let's say this call is like abnormal movement. This is an abnormal move. So if there's an abnormal move come up like this, right? It started ends here, it started from here. So that means that it went all the way up to here. So the first breakout was happening around this particular area, right? I said this area is the first breakout level. So even if it goes up like this, it has to come back to this particular level. This is the first target level. It has to come back to the target level, and then it has to go up again. If it falls below this, we have another target level is here, another target level, because these are important levels for everything in the market. We cannot take into granted that this went like this crazy, so it will not come back to the same position. No, it has to come back to this position again because it cannot go up like this. It has to come back to the normal position because every up will have an every downward move. Every downward move will have every upward move. So if you see here, it started from here. It started from here. This is a low, right? Let's say this is a low. So it went up like this. You see, it came down. Let me draw a line to be even more specific here. So this is a line, right? See this? It went up all the way up, and then it went all the way up from here to here. It came down. Now it's recovering back. That's what you say, right? It went up all the way up. This is 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is 1 minute time frame. I'm using it. So that means that it started from here. It went up. It went all the way up like this on 28. Then it came down. When it's coming down, we can have an experiment. We can have a target like this. People will say that, sir, this is the area of buying, right? This is where the support will come. Yeah, this is the area of support will come. But but the problem here is the problem here is people will be looking out for the entry like this is the highest margin level, so they put it like this. This is where the support will come because people don't know how to mark the um, support and resistance. Okay, they will even this is a basic level of the support resistance that people will be making. They will take it to the high, they will make it on the high like this, and then they will be drawing like this. This is the basic thing that people will do. This is a breakout that they will be teaching, and then this is how it will go up. So anything on the top, right? So let's say this is another top. So people will be drawing another top like this. This is another top level, and then this area will get a support, and then it will go up. So that's what they will do. In fact, right, when they do it, there's a big out here, which is really a big thing that people will be missing out. People will be missing out this because there is something called important things that people miss. So if you do like this for a support resistance, right, you cannot make anything out of it. You have to do something called we have to do something called the uh, the X factors, right? You need to have some kind of X factors like how this trading is going to happen. These are basic things, right? I'm not going to get into the basic things, but I'm going to the deeper things, right? The deeper things is, so this is the high it formed. Okay, this is the first high it formed, and then there is a second high is here. This is just a pullback here, okay? So I just mark it that also to that next to the line, okay? Just mark this one. That's the first thing that I need to do. And second thing is previous next height is here, this area. This is the highest one. So I just mark this highest one here. And then the next one is second highest, I'm going to mark it. This is the area I'm going to mark. So when I mark these two areas, right, I have to mark it like a box. I need to take it like a box so that I can use it like a box like this. And then I have to use it like a box like this. So when I do a box like this, what will really happen here is uh, we will get a clear picture that where exactly the market will reverse. So the market will reverse around this particular zone. It reversed, and then it came to the particular level and it reversed. So this is very important area that people will be missing out. People will be getting into the higher side, and people will be missing out such a big move like this. Okay, so this is a classic example of how to market. So these are like basic things that people will be doing, but these are basics. So we are not going to deal with anything on the basics. In our seminar that we do, whatever that we work, right, we don't deal with these basic things. Whatever the basic that people will do, we don't work on those things. We'll work differently. So what we do, we select something called a candle, which help me in most of the cases are like OH candles, right? Those OH candles are very big for me. So wherever I find OH candles are there, I just mark a levels like this. So let's say I have people will mark these resistance here, something like here. This is where people will be marking the resistance. But for me, I'll mark the resistance here. So when I mark the resistance here, I know this area will be a resistance for me. So I keep on selling from that particular level. So what I'll take it, I don't take more OH candles on the top. I take only two OH candles on the top. This one and the second highest one is this. So this is the second highest one. So these two will help me in forming a zone. So I'll just mark this and then I'll form a zone like this. So when I form a zone like this becomes my resistance level. So when I found the resistance level, yes, I have a resistance level below what people will have is here. This is where the people will have the resistance level. In fact, right, we have somewhere around 20, 30 points before itself, we know there will be a selling will happen. So people will be saying that there is a reversal is happening, it will go up. But people will be waiting for selling around this area, but the selling will not happen at that particular area. The selling will happen in this area itself. Okay, so this is a basic version of the FiboWaves. Okay, but in fact, the advanced version of FiboWaves is I'm not going to tell you anything on this, but the advanced version of FiboWaves is just a single thing that we do is this is the level that we mark for FiboWaves. So this is a resistance level, and then we start working on this resistance level. See this exactly it matching the resistance level, and then it's keeps on going. Once it mark this level, right? What we do is we take this entire level out. Like how much point is this? Is it 2.8%? 2.8 is nothing but we'll multiply by 1 or 2. That is like 3 rupees on the top. We'll take a sell above this. We'll take 3 rupees from here. So we take 3 rupees from here. One, 2, 3. Okay, 3 rupees from here. Above this only, I'll be taking a long entry. Below this, I'll take a short entry. So what I'll do is I'll just take this one, this one, and take 1, 2, 3. Here, this below this, I'm going to take a short entry. So below this is a complete short for me. See this? It's not crossing the high. It is not crossing the low. This is where the selling is, and you would have got some big money out here. Okay.
So your voice volume is going down.
Okay, so this is how it makes so great in making your trades. So it's the same thing at the bottom also. So bottom also, right? We use the same OH candles here. We'll take somewhere like the bottom, let's say with the bottom area like this, or we'll take somewhere bottom. This is the bottom area. So in the bottom area, we'll take something like this is the lowest OH and this is the second lowest OH. So what we do is we just see whether it is crossing the OH for the long entry. So basically, we are bull traders. So if you're in the lowest, those who are bull traders will try to get the price at the lowest, as the lowest price rate. So we need to get it from the lowest price. So what they do is they will take it somewhere around. The people like the retailers, what they do is they keep on marking the level. So this is the first low it forms. So they will make this as a low, and then they will not do anything else. They will mark this low, and then they will wait. It's falling, so they stay for falling, and then they have a support around this area. So they market support around this area. So they will be waiting for this particular level. Okay, so but this is not the right way of doing the trades. Okay, so if they do this trade like this, they will not get anything out of it. Okay, so what we do is we do something called same thing here. We do something more different to it. So what they do is we do something called the area which is getting the OH levels, right? We just mark the levels like this. This is the breakout level at the top. We have the breakout level at the top, and then if it crosses above, it's a breakout level for me. So here the entry is happening around this area. So this is not the area which I'm targeting. I'm targeting the area which is around here. This is my breakout area. I'll be waiting for the breakout here. So the breakout will happen like this. So even if it's right, even if I draw this, it is going down, right? I'm not going to go for a bigger kill because I'm not going to go for a bigger kill because people will be using what they do is they do the lower one is here, so they mark the low like this. So as per our way of doing, right, our way of working, right, we do something called a combination of OH and then we do it. So what we do with the combination of OH is what is here. So I'll do the combination of OH and see how beautifully it reacts from here. Okay. So we take something called the combination of OH. Okay. And then we draw like this. So this is the combination of OH. This is a level. And then there is one more level on the top and the below is this. This is the area. I need to be very cautious. So I mark this. So these are all internals of FiboWaves. So we do this so that we see it takes support from the exact level from here, and then it takes to the upper side. So this is the basic things of a beautiful trader who takes about how to work with the support resistance, right? Because basically most of the people are lagging on the support resistance itself. The support resistance is a basic concept that people are missing, and then it is being taught in a different aspect of it. So when they talk about different aspect of it is the marking of the support resistance is utterly not good. As a technical analyst, right, we need to have something really more advanced to your level in making it so that you don't miss even a single move of what's going to come, right? So here we see this with some big movement is coming up, right? All because of one single line that we draw here. So that's what it is. Okay. So this is how we predict the market and we say there's an entry and exit in the market. Okay, sir. So this all is happening. It's there in the chart, and we can do anything on this, and then everybody can do the same thing, right? So what we'll do is we'll do something called we'll call someone, and then we'll ask someone to give me a script, and then we'll start working on it. So if someone is there who can challenge me in giving me a script so that we'll start something new to it? Anybody? You can unmute yourself and you can talk.
Sir,
Yeah.
BHEL.
BHL.
GMM Pfaudler.
Okay, GM. BHL is okay. GMM Pfaudler, right? This is the first time.
Yeah.
Okay, that's GMM
Yeah, Pfaudler.
F. Okay. I forgot the name, man. Exactly.
FAUDLER.
F. That's what I'm trying. FA.
FAUDLER.
PFA.
Okay, so this one is there. Okay, this is GMM Pfaudler. This is 1 minute time frame. Okay, so you challenge me on which day that I need to work on. Just tell me. Can I go to 1 month before? I just go with 5 minutes. Okay, I'm just taking randomly or by some day like May 4th or 5th, 6th or 7th. Okay, I'll take May 6th. Fine. So May 6th is there. So what I do is I'll just take it to this level. Is it fine? So I don't know what is going to come at the top or the bottom, correct? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So this is a challenging thing which I'm taking it. So it's 5 minutes here. So it's so much of noise here. So I just move it to 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes so that I'll get some more clarity on this particular scripts. So what I do is this is the first analysis that we people have to do. Okay. So this is like we are going to predict how the market of GMM Pfaudler will work for next how many days? Next 1 month, correct?
Yeah, 2 months maybe.
Maybe this is June, May and June. We need to see for 2 months how it work for 2 months. So we need to have some kind of a clarity on the stuff, right? So clarity will happen something like it went so high. So the stock was falling. It was falling like we started from here. It started from here. It fall here. It went up there, came down again, fall, came down. Then it's moving down. That is like nothing but the first, second wave. This is third wave. Fourth. It started. So it has to come back like this, and then it has to go like this. This is how the pattern of everyone will have to work on, right? This is how the pattern of everything everybody will be working on it. So what we do is we have to change something on this one. Okay, what we have to do is okay. I'll just go to 30 minutes. So the thing here is it's two small candle men. Okay, here it is going to this particular day. Okay, so I want to be 100% cautious on the levels. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just mark some levels here so that I don't miss anything out of here. Okay, so this is an important level for me. Okay, this is my important level for me. And then this is what it is. So here again one more level. That's fine. This is where it broke down. Okay. Otherwise, I'll take it from here. Okay, this is big moment here. So let me take it from here.
Anji.
Huh? Yes. Okay, I'll leave it. I'll take it from here. Okay, don't worry. So everything it works beautifully for me. So as per the levels are concerned, we have taken it from here and it started to fall. Okay. So this is a level for me. So what I'll do is I'll do one thing here. I'll take it from here. Okay. So that means that there is a possibility that it has to cross this level for me. Okay. And then I have not gone this level. Okay, fine. Hmm. Give me a minute. I need to change. Couple of minutes, guys. Okay, I'm not sharing anything. Yes. Missed the entries, guys. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so here, so I made the entries and everything. Okay. So the breakout of the particular stock is from here, it's March, April, May. Okay. So here the stock is breaking down here. So if it breaks down here, I have a target of, this is my first target. It can go down till here. And then if it goes down, we have a target. This is the target. Okay. Second target is here. Okay. If it goes up, when it crosses this level, I have a target of, first target. I have a second target here. And then this is my third target. Okay. So I can still run it. I have not marked anything else. I have not marked anything out here. I'm just going to run it for you. Just check. So you see here, it took exactly support from here, right? It came all the way to 1169, and then it came up to 1319. Again, see, it is trading around the same area. So I would have got an entry here. Yes or no, guys? Tell me. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
I would have gotten exactly entry here. This is my entry point here. So beautifully, I would have captured this area to this area. So this is my beautiful area of capturing. So I would have got an entry at 1169. I would have got this area covered. So almost how many points? 200 points covered in this single move. So what is all about? This is all about. And you know this, we know this. Okay. So this stock will be every high, this area, right? When it crosses this area, we have a target of this. So it is not crossing. If it crosses below this, we have again a downward target is achieved. So here I'll be waiting for another thing. Here it can take a support and it can go up. Otherwise, it will come down to the same level again. Okay. So nobody can take this challenge, guys. Nobody ever can take this challenge in life. Okay. So I can take it anywhere, anytime, any place, anyone who wants to have some kind of a clarity on the subject. I can teach them on the clarity, how it works out, how this Fibonacci works out. Why he is so adamant on the trainings, right? Which I'm really asking you is these are all gems, right? You know this kind of an entry, right? 100 shares would have got you 20,000 rupees. Okay, so it's just matter of time of your enthusiasm can make some great things. So this is a starter, okay? The starter should not be so good, but we are making it so good so that you people can understand what are we doing in FiboWaves. Okay, so that's a classic example of what is this. So if you really want to have some more examples, we'll take it. One more example, we'll take it. Which one you want to do it? Anybody? Which one you want to do it?
Jio Financial. Jio Financial.
Jio Financial. So who was that Jio Financial? Okay, who was that? Asking for Jio Financial?
Nanda Kumar.
Nanda Kumar. Great, Nanda. So Nanda, so the thing here is Jio Financial, it went up like this. It went all the way up, right? So I'm not going to take anything. So you tell me a date, I'll go there and I'll start watching it. So which day you want to work on? Can I take 2 months before or 3 months before? Is
3 months before. 3 months.
3 months before? Okay, I'll take 3 months before. I'll take 15 minutes. I'll just go to 3 months before as what? March is fine.
Yeah.
March will be fine. Okay, I'll just go to March. Arrays. Okay. I'm cutting it. So I don't know what is going to come for Jio Financial. This is where it is trading. It's trading at 314. Okay. So this is on the top, right? It's on the top. It went like this. It's staying at the top. And it's not at the bottom. It is going on the top. So I don't have anything on the bottom. I'm not going to mark anything on the bottom. This is on the upward stock, which is not going to tell me anything on the downward move. So it's all on the upward move. So I need to select something on the upside move. So upside move, I have to select the same pattern which I really did it. So what I did the same pattern here is I'm going to select something called like I just go with a little bit lesser time frame so that I can get some kind of a clarity and also get some kind of a advancement to it. Okay. So I have something called the levels. Like people will be marking the levels here. This is how people will be marking the levels, but we will be at the Fibonacci levels that what we do is FiboWaves, what we do is we take a different steps here. So we take something like this area, we'll take this area into consideration, and then we'll take it to this particular area to consideration. So this is an area that we take into consideration. And then we draw the same Fibo here, right? Whatever the Fibo that we do, we take the same Fibo here, and we draw lines like this. Okay? So when you draw the lines like this, we have a breakout level. So this is a breakout point level. Below this, we have a target. This is the first target. Below this is the first target. And then if it goes down, we have a target till 301. It doesn't go down below 301. No, it will take support at 301 and it will reverse back. Okay. Same thing, if it breaks above 341, we have a target of 350.75. And then we have a target of 367.05. This is a target which I can expect. So when it crossed 367, we have a bigger target like 399. It can come back anytime. Okay. So these are the targets on the upside. These are the targets on the lower side. Okay. So if it goes down, we have a bigger target on the lower side, but unless it is not breaking this 301, 300 levels, we see a target. If it breaks, we have a target this. So this is how it is. So I'll take an entry from here. So if it crosses above this, I'll take an entry for a target of 327, and then it crosses 335 or 335. I have a target of 341, 350, 367. So these are my levels in Jio Financial. Okay, so I'm just drawing it. I said above this, my target is this, so I got the target. Same thing, it is around the same level. See, it got rejection at the same levels here. So this is the level, it get rejection here. So when it crosses that particular area, we have a target here. See this? After crossing this, we have a target 1, and then we got the target 2. So now it's moving to the target of 357. Okay, let's see. This target also met. 357 also met and then came down. So when it came down, what really happened? It took support at the same levels. So we know the level of support also. We know where the support will come back. So the support is also correctly made. So if people would have made the support like this, right, this area, they will be missing the entire move out here. So they will be missing the move, the entire missing the move here. This area, they'll be missing it. We know exactly the level where it gets rejection point and where it gets the support point. So when we know that particular level, see this, when it crosses this level, we have a target here. Below this target, I told you the target is here. So below 327, my target is 317. It exactly 317. Not even change, little bit change. So that is the power of this FiboWaves. Okay. See this? It goes up. It's a target again, going up. So how many times you would have taken an entry here? Just tell me, sir. Nanda, sir. Just tell me how many times you would have taken an entry here if you know this level. How many times you would have taken an entry for a target?
At least 3 times.
3, 4 times? For
Yeah.
a wait for bigger targets, right?
Sir.
Right, from 330 levels, you have gone 367 levels. So this is the beauty of the trade, exactly hit the targets. And after crossing this, we have a target of 399. Let's see whether it is going to 399 or not. I don't know whether it hit 399. Whether it hit 399. This area becomes stronger, like 367 becomes stronger. And when it falls, we have a target here. See this. This is a target. Support level, 350 levels. So this is how it works in the market.
कोई भी टोमेटो सूप और टोस्ट चलेगा मेरे.
Huh? How much it went? Here it's 394 it went. Almost our target was 399. May this it's going very slow. Okay. It came down again the same levels, correct? Fourth time. This is a bigger fall came in the market, right? June fall, again went down, and then this is a target level, almost near to the target level. Let's see, now it's again a target hit here, here. How many times? 1, 2. So, how many times you would have gotten an entry, sir? See, 1 time, 2 times, okay, 3rd time, 4th time. This is so beautiful, sir. This is very beautiful stuff that people should know how to mark the support resistance and how to take a trade. If you know where to enter, right, you will not be scared on your entry because the stop loss will be very minimal. The second line will be a stop loss. So from here, if I
Yes.
take my stop loss will be very small. 4 points, 5 points is your stop loss. How much points
नहीं.
we are waiting for? We are waiting for 40.
अरे नहीं कल जाके
Yeah, 40 points. It's not such simple stuff, sir. This is extremely powerful stuff. When it crosses one particular level, like let's say it crosses at 367, we are waiting for 399. It's almost near to the 399 levels. It should have hit 399, but somewhere it did not hit 399 here. But it came all the way up here. Okay, so that's the beauty of the learning. So you need to know how the Fibo works. You need to know how the support resistance works, all this stuff. Okay, so these are like what we do in our course, like how we do this, how we mark this. what are the strategies that we involve, or the strategy is how to involve yourself into this particular strategy, how to make some good money out of it, how to make your capital appreciation things comes up. So that's when this has been taught, right? Those who do swing tradings are definitely making money on a regular basis. So how many people out here are doing swing trading space? Tell me, how many people and how many people are making money?
I'm doing, sir.
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah, Saujay is there, Rajendra is there. And then
So me too.
great streak. So everybody knows how to do it. Okay. The thing is the right mindset. You need to have a right mindset and where to take the trades and how to execute the trades. So when you know that, you are the master of the trades. Okay. So all the stuff of about the Fibo waves are done. So we're not going to deal anything today, just for showcasing us what we do in Fibo waves. We just showed it. But from coming class onwards, we're not going to deal anything on the Fibo series and everything. It'll be completely a new series, and it'll be thinking of how to improvise on your trades, what step that you need to do, what small picks that you need to do. You people has to bring up, like you need to showcase something like I'm using this particular indicator, so I'm a little bit struggling on that particular things. So can you something that I can help you out? Let me know something on that. Will definitely help you out also. In the meantime, I'll also bring up something like which is very good for your market to work on. So I'll tell you how to work on it. Okay, next series will be very, very good because we'll be on every bit of the market. We'll be cracking one by one. So we'll be going to crack each and every part of the candle. We'll be cracking it and how we are going to take an entry. That is the key for success for everyone. So don't miss any of the upcoming new series of Market with Prem. Please attend those things. We try to get more clarity on the subject and then start working on it. Okay. I don't share the link outside because I have only 100 seats in the Zoom. So those who got the link can join. The others has to watch somewhere else. So that's where we are planning. That will come after later, somewhere around 2 months down the line. We'll have a separate site, and then where people, those who can't see the video have to log in, and then they can see the videos. That's what we are planning. And these videos will be private, and those who want to view the video, I'll just share the link, but it will be private. Those who want to log in has to see through private videos. It will not be search. If you search in Google, it will not come up. It will be private. Only the link that people will be having can watch the video. Okay. So that's it for today, and hope you had a great session today. So any feedbacks that you want to give on the today's session? Was informative? Is it an eye opener for someone?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
This work on the Indian market, yeah, otherwise,
Uh,
yeah,
so who is this, by the way?
my name is Nikita.
Sorry?
It's second.
You-
Samsung.
Your good name?
My name is not edited.
It's not available. Samsung. It says Samsung. Are you Samsung?
Yes, yes, yes.
You're
Yeah, no.
Samsung.
Yes, I'm Samsung, but my name is Nikita.
Nikita.
Yes.
Okay, Nikita. So we have another 10 more minutes. Okay, Nikita. Which market that you want to work on? Tell me.
I actually learning based on capturing the market and not trading any market. Because
Okay.
I have a just
So you said that
curious
this
to
work.
know
So let me ask
if I
you.
learn to you.
Let me ask you something different. Okay. So which market are you going to work on? Are you going to work on commodity market, or are you going to work on Indian market, or are you going to work on US market? I need some kind of clarity. If you tell me, I'll just do it.
Okay. In future, I I want to trade in a forex market or crypto like because this suits in my
Okay. You want to work
for
on.
me.
So I'll take it something called your Bitcoin. Is it fine? BTC, I'll take it. Because
Yeah,
people, people are very much eager nowadays working
Yes,
in
sir.
Bitcoin, correct? Okay. So what we do is we have we have something called uh there is something called okay, I'll tell you something. Every market has a range, okay? So every bit of the market will have a range, okay? So what we do is we'll do something called range in Bitcoins. So what we do is we'll take the range of the Bitcoin and then we'll draw the levels, okay? You tell me a day, I'll go to that particular day, Nikita, because I haven't worked on Bitcoin. Which day that you want to work on? I'll go to that particular day. I'll go 1 month before or 2 months before. Is it fine?
Yes, sir. 2 months.
Okay, I'll go for 2 months before. Okay. It's not coming here. Okay, yeah, it is here. 2 months is what? This is April, June. Huh? Okay, I'll go to June. This is June. Okay, I'll just go to first 30 minutes so that it's be easy for me. May. I'll just go to March. Is this fine? I'll take it here. So March is the area where the market was heading higher. This is the area the market was heading higher. Okay. This is the market was heading higher on this particular area. So if you see here, 13 minutes down the line, this is the highest area it is covered. Okay. This is the highest area covered. So I use the same logic which I did for what was the last one which we did? Jio Finance, correct? I use the same logic here. I use the same logic here. It's the highest. Let me draw something. Yeah, that's the lowest. Okay, that's fine. I'll take this as the lowest. Okay. I'll take the second one, which is not here. First. I just want to do here. Okay, I just mark the zone here. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, so the Bitcoin will get a breakout at this particular level. This is a breakout on the upper side, and this is a breakdown at the lower side. When it break down here, we have a target of below zero. So when it crosses on the upside on the top, we have a target on this. This is the first target. Then we have the second target is here. Once it starts 55, we have a target of 58. And then it will go further up. I have not marked those levels, but we have marked only till here. Okay. If it goes up above this, we have a different levels that I'm not going to show anything, right? At least whether we have this level covered. So here it's crossed. So when this is crossed, this is a breakout level. When it's crossed this, we have a target like 52,769, we get 753,792. This is the target we hit. So when it crosses this one, we have a target of 55,705. That area is also covered. There is a single coin. And after this, we have a target of 58. That is also covered. Was this a good move? Same logic, same stuff, same thing with the targets. Okay, so when it comes down, it will come down only till 58,931. It will come down to only this level. If it breaks this level, we have a target only till this level. So till here it can come down. Other than that, it doesn't come down below this. If it comes down, we'll see 53,000. Even if it comes down below, it gets support at the yellow line. If this is an important level for Bitcoin. So these are the levels, the immediate support levels are here, and then it went up. See this again, it came down to the same level, which I already marked, right? 58,931. It came near to that particular. So that's a beauty of learning. When you know how to mark the levels and everything, it's be very, very easy and very, very easy to draw everything and make it a great trades. I don't know where the Bitcoin is right now. Is it around 70,000? Wow. Came down. So if I draw one more line here, you will be amazed. It'll be exactly at the same level. Okay. If this is the level, it may go down. That's the level it is coming. Done. Come on, hit the level. It's April only. Okay, let's go back. See this. We draw here, it came to this particular level. It took a support, again went up, again at the same level. Okay, Nikita. So if you're doing on a daily basis, right? I want to do it on a daily basis on Bitcoin. So I cannot draw it like this for every now and then. I want to do it on a daily basis, right? I want to work on a daily basis. What I do is I do little bit changes to the thing here. What I do is I'll take something called a range, and then I'll draw the range, and then I'll start working on the range. Okay, the range is here. And I'll draw the range here. Okay. I'll draw the range. Of the range. Okay, so this is a level on the range that I'll be teaching you in the classes. Okay, this is a range. So when it crosses this range, I have the levels here. When I draw this level, so this is the level, you get a rejection point here. So this is a rejection point here. And then at the bottom, it'll take support here, and then below this is a rejection point here. That's where the Bitcoin was trading entirely on the day of 29. So this is how we do. We make some good strategy for working on any kind of market. Only thing is we need to be very, very cautious on how we are going to work on it. Okay. So hope you got your answer for Bitcoin. Same thing for US the dollar market too, like financial. So it's a currency market too. Same thing with the commodity market too. So this is all the stuff. Hope you liked it, Nikita.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, sir, if we take a classes, then we also learn your strategies only. Yeah, strategies backside.
My strategy. So I have so many strategies. Okay. The thing is, there are so many people out here, right? They have learned from me. So, so can someone talk me on my behalf? Anyone? Anyone? No. So I don't teach very well. Very bad. So sorry.
Can I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, hi. I have learned from Prem sir. Actually, I'm a basically equity swing trader. I have tried many other strategies. I was never able to make the profit. But Prem sir is a one-stop solution for everything, every script, every type of market. He has a strategy well automated for it. So it becomes your trading journey so easy that even a layman who doesn't know anything about stock market also can start making huge money. So he has a separate strategy for intraday, swing, positional. Everything is so crystal clear, perfect. Anybody can understand and make money, lots of money actually.
Thank you so much, Sri. Anyone
Thank
want
you
to
so
go?
much, sir.
Yeah, not an issue. Anyone wants to go?
Prem, can I?
Yeah, Sindel, go ahead.
See, almost for the last more than a year or so, I've been using his strategies. Though I'm not involved directly in that investment, I'm using these tips to my son and guide him to do the investment.
Wow.
And so far, there are multiple strategies are there. There is OH theory is there, reversal is there, and Marubozu. There are several things he has taught us. I meticulously use most of them, and more importantly, the reversal one I follow more rigorously. The levels, whatever it says, it's amazing and gives a good returns. You need not have to go for stop loss at all if you respect the levels what the chart says. As per after plotting the whichever strategy which has been guided by Mr. Prem. No need of looking for any stop loss at all. I have never come across any stop loss so far. So far, that's the amazing success.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Okay. So anything else you want? Anything else? So what we do is we'll stop here, and because time's up at 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock we need to stop. So come back with next week. Next week we'll have a separate module for us for everyone. Just watch out for the links. The link will be shared between 8 and 10, and those who able to capture the link, copy and put it in somewhere in your text pad or notepad, because 10 o'clock the links will be removed. So please copy and keep it, because I have only 100 seats. I can only give 100 seats. So I cannot have more than 100 seats. And second thing is, we have a session coming up tonight with Srini. So please attend those sessions and see what is there in the Fibonacci options strategy that he wants to talk about. So I will also be there tonight. So see you all there. Okay. Take care and bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
So I have a question. If I contact you, then
Yeah, you can
Great.
contact me. I can give my number. 1 second. Let me give you give me your number. You're from Chennai, yeah? Basically. Where you?
no, I'm
You're from?
Rajasthan.
I sent you my number, okay? You can call me there. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
Prem, this session on Srini, is it applicable for everyone or only for
Everyone,
selected?
everyone can attend. Everyone can
So
attend.
is he going to send a link or something
I'll
already
be
sent?
sending. I'll be sending.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Yeah. Bye-bye.